Hi, this is Sueno. I'm 4'11" in height, and today in this video I'll show you how to look taller. I'm wearing this glittery black palazzo pant and this purple top from Forever New, and everything depends on styling. Now by changing the style of my clothing, I will show you how you can give fake illusion of a tall height. So I'm just gonna tuck my top inside my palazzo pant. Tucking my top inside my palazzo pant is making an illusion of a longer leg. You can see the palazzo pant that I'm wearing is longer than my leg. I will be wearing this high heel that I got from Nobo. My pant will hide all my heel, and that gives an illusion that I am a tall girl. It doesn't make me look like I'm wearing a high heel. You can see the difference. To add a glam on my height, and now I'm adding my sunglasses on, and this is from Vogue. On top of making myself look taller, I want to look more stylish as well. So I'm carrying this bag from Lorna Jones. I got this as a present on my birthday. So this is the final look. You can see the difference.